There are millions of poultry seasonings out there. When I created Chef Bob's poultry seasoning, I wanted to create something that not only had wonderful flavor, but also a big blast of nutrition. Welcome, and thanks for being here today for our healthy, delicious, and quick recipe of the day. Today we're going to make Chef Bob's Blast chicken tenders, and all we need is a pound of chicken tenders and, of course, Chef Bob's Blast. Bob's Blast poultry seasoning contains nutritional yeast, thyme, parsley, sesame seeds, onion, garlic, and of course our secret spices. Nutritional yeast is a wonderful superfood. Not only is it packed with vitamins and minerals, it has a nice cheesy flavor, and the flakes create a nice crust for your chicken. First thing we're going to do, we're going to add some oil to our chicken, just enough to get it coated. So now we coat the chicken well with our olive oil. I'm using a glove. You're free to use a spoon or whatever utensil you like. Next, we're going to add the poultry blast. Now I pre-measured this out because we're working with raw chicken. I didn't want to get my chicken hands all over a bag or anything else. Now mix the chicken and coat it well. This poultry blast is going to create a fabulous crust on your chicken. And now let's go to the stove. Now let's cook our tenders. Put your burner on high and get your pan hot. A little bit of olive oil. And you're going to lay each tender in the pan. You don't want to stack them. They each should be contacting the pan. And it's the nutritional yeast that will give us that nice crust. So once your tenders are cooking nicely, turn your flame down to medium and check occasionally. We're looking for a nice crust, a nice color on the bottom side. So the nutritional yeast will give us that crust. And you can see the sesame seeds on top, you can see the thyme and the parsley. And if you thought your chicken was boring, this is not going to be boring. You're going to have a fabulous crust, fabulous flavor. Your kids are going to love it. Everybody's going to love it. So we have some nice color now. We're going to flip the tenders over. Look at that crust. Look at that crust. Beautiful. So these tenders are a little thick, so I'm going to turn the pan down to low and let them cook a little bit longer. You obviously want to make sure that your chicken is well cooked. So the tenders are done. You can see the beautiful crust on these tenders. I'm going to take them off the pan now and let them sit for a few minutes. Now let's plate these up. So here we have our beautiful chicken tenders. Nice and crispy crust, and there's a lot you can do with these. You can put them on a bed of rice, a bed of quinoa, a bed of lentils, a nice side of roasted vegetables or sauteed vegetables. Today we've done a very simple side salad. And maybe just a little bit of greens on top. And there we go. Okay, now let's taste this. Oh man, juicy, tender, beautiful crust, the herbs. You're going to love this. For other Chef Bob's Blast recipes, including sauteed turkey and vegetables, check out our website and subscribe to our social media channels so you get updates on new recipes. And now, I'm going to have another taste. And that's a blast.